Should I have MC number and DOT number to access a load board? So I have an LLC. Should I use my company name to access a load board? But there's yes and no to this question. And this is a common question. And a lot of you guys asking me this question, and always my response is you don't need MC number and a DOT number. And here's why. So I'm a carrier. I have 4 trucks. And I have a company, many of you guys know, which is Prime Express LLC, and I have my own meaning access, which is carrier subscription to load boards. But I have independent dispatchers from different countries. I have about 4 dispatchers, but you may say, Kamal, you have only 4 trucks, but how come you have 4 independent truck dispatchers? But don't forget, I have an owner operators. So I have my own trucks, but of course I have independent owner operators that we offer our dispatch services. This is why I teach people how to become an independent truck dispatchers. So how they get access, they use my load board, right? So I'm creating a different account or sub accounts to owner operators, to independent dispatchers. For example, one of my independent dispatchers, he's in Ukraine, right? So I give access to him and he dispatches my trucks in of course, the owner operators. When you're starting out, you don't need MC number and DOT number. Why? MC and DOT number is for carriers. So you are going to run your independent truck dispatcher services, and you don't need MC and MC number and DOT number. But there is a subscription for independent truck dispatchers. DAT solution offer that, but it's expensive. It's about $350 or around like $400 per month. But that subscription allows you to use only one load board, and you can dispatch as many trucks or carriers as you want, right? So that would be one option, but I don't recommend when you're starting out. When you're starting out, you should contact with owner operators or carriers who has maybe like me 4 trucks, maybe 5, 10 trucks, and start dispatching for them. Excuse me. And here's how you can start, right? So you can build or create a Facebook page, and you can start targeting owner operators offering your services. But you must have online presence like a website or some type of social proof that you are offering your services. Independent truck dispatchers, they must have an LLC. And there's a confusion about like legal structure. Many people don't know about like independent truck dispatchers, but they know about truck dispatchers, but they never heard about independent truck dispatchers. They think it's something new, but it's not. It's like an owner operator, and there's like independent owner operators. There's one main and unique difference is that independent dispatcher can work anywhere around the world. But truck dispatchers, mainly in general term, they're in-house dispatchers, meaning they work for a carrier in the office. That's the difference. And because you are independent, you should have a company legal structure, for example LLC, incorporated or whatever, but you must talk to your lawyer or CPA to structure your business. And this is how it goes. Many people ask this question and they confuse about should I have MC or DOT, should I have MC or DOT? But you don't. You use your carrier information or login information or their access to start dispatching. When you have 1 or 2 or 3 carriers on board, then you can contact DAT Power or DOT Solution as a company saying that I am an independent dispatcher, I have an LLC, here's my company, here's my customers, can you please give me that access? And they will verify your company. And by the way, this subscription you can't see online, you can't find online, you must call a DAT Solutions for this to get the access for independent truck dispatchers. And they will give you, it's like a unique access. It's the same user interface, it's the same functions, but you can use as many dispatchers or owner operators or carriers in that load board. So as your customers, one of my students asked me yesterday saying, Kamal, is there only one customer type, which is carriers? I said no, but there's a carriers, less than truckload, there's a truckload, you can work with brokers as a broker agent, where independent truck dispatchers work for a brokers. They call themselves like independent agents. And there are many opportunities with this. So if you guys have questions, just let me know, and then we'll go from there. Thank you.